Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called long-tailed French knot. Insert the needle in the center point. Twist the needle twice with the thread holding in your left hand and insert the needle at the distance and pull over. Hold the thread with your left hand and pull it over. You will get a knot at the end of the tail. See once again, insert the needle, hold the thread with your left hand and twist the needle twice and then insert the needle at a distance. Hold the thread with your left hand and pull over. You will get a knot at the end. See once again. Hold the thread with your left hand, twist twice and then insert the needle at a distance. Hold the thread with your left hand and pull over. Now you will get a knot at the end of the tail. And this is called as long-tailed French knot or pistil stitch. You can use this stitch in the pistils of the flowers in your patterns. This stitch is just the same as that of the French knot with a long tail. So it is called as long-tailed French knot. I have done this in a circle. See, with orange color I am doing this long-tailed French knot alternatively in between the yellow stitches. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. We have done so many stitches, more than 75 stitches. And the links are given in the description. Now I am finishing this flower with long-tailed French knots. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts regarding this stitch, please comment. Now I am finishing the flower by putting a circle in the center. Just insert the thread in each stitch like this so that you will get a circle in the center for this flower. You can also use this design in your dress material as an overall stitch or in border lines in the neck design. This is the same as that of the French knot with the tail, so that you can use this for patterns with a knot at the end and a long tail. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.